What's up, my name's Technobo here for TroubleChute and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to manually tag text and images, etc. as spoilers. As you probably know by now, you can put images in a Discord in spoiler mode, meaning nobody sees what's going on. I'll drop a video and you can see mark as spoiler. If we tick this and upload it, the image or video will be covered until you expand the spoiler, and when you do, you're able to watch the video or whatever is inside of it. However, how exactly do you do this with text? Well, on mobile, all you have to do is select text that you've written, and when you get a pop-up saying if you'd like to make it bold, italic, etc., there's a button that says mark as spoiler or something along those lines. However, on PC, there's not really a keyboard combination for that. There is Control-B for bold, Control-I for italics, U for underline, etc., etc., but how do we do a spoiler? Well, it's relatively simple. All you have to do is look on your keyboard for the pipe symbol. It's a straight down line. It's also known as the vertical bar. It's this little straight line here that looks like a capital I, but it's located probably here on your keyboards. It's this little block here. Usually you'll have to hold shift to get it. What we'll be doing is entering two of them next to each other at the start and the beginning of text that you'd like to mark as a spoiler. So I'll say this is a spoiler. Of course it doesn't work. And I'll say this is a spoiler with two pipes or vertical lines on either side as such. As you can immediately see, the text format changes at the very bottom, and upon hitting enter, it shows up like this. If we click it, it expands and we can see the spoiler. Changing out and back into the tab, it's once again hidden away for us to click on. If we'd like to edit text previously, we can right-click, edit, and add two of these to either side of a word, text, etc., and it'll be hidden up even in old messages. That's simple. Unfortunately, there's not really a way to do this for videos and the rest that are already uploaded. Editing the message only allows you to edit text rather than the actual video itself. So there's not much we can do here other than re-uploading the actual image, video, file, etc., etc. A quick side note before I go, you can customize how spoilers are shown to you in Discord servers by clicking user settings in the bottom left, heading across to text and images under app settings, and then looking for spoiler content. You can see this controls when spoiler content is displayed, either on click, on servers I moderate, or always if you'd like to not show spoiler blocks at all and instead show the content behind them automatically. It's that simple. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name's been Technobo here for TroubleChute, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.